Push the clutch in. Put it in neutral. Go ahead and kill it. Alrighty guys, so we got the basically the steel cage of it squared up, and I'm just going to zip the nuts tight with my little impact. Guys, so this is what we've gotten so far. We've got the coop almost built, we got the trays in, we've got the nesting boxes installed. Looking good. Very simple, easy to put together. Once we get it built, we're going to attach it to the run and be good to go. Guys, the only thing left now is I'm gonna put the roof on. Only got a couple more pieces to go. Roof there, shingled roof. I will come in here with some caulk and make sure I caulk all my open holes. That's what a lot of the people that bought these, they said that it had a lot of air gaps, which is, you know, not really a big deal, but you want to keep the rain out as much as you can. Made one mistake, guys. The nesting bars go from here to here. I need to take this bar and flip it because the U channel is upside down. No big deal, just a matter of 2 screws. Take it out, flip it over, put it right back. So I got the perch sticks installed, but guys, I screwed up again. And look, I put this one on right, but the opposite side, I got the U channel down, and as you can tell, I would have to disassemble the whole hutch coop to flip that one over, and I ain't doing it. So we're just going to put the wood in there with screws on the side, and if we have one fail, go to the hardware store, get a piece of poplar, or a piece of oak that's strong and go right in there, good to go. You know, you could put a metal hose clamp around that so it wouldn't, if the screw or the wood did give out, you'd have a way to secure that. That is it, guys. So basically all we need to do now, I'll have to have some help maybe when Don gets home from Camp Gladiator. We can get this thing slid up against the run here, and it's got U-bolts to attach it to the run itself. So when she gets home, I think she's gonna be flipping excited.